Hey guys, Big D here from HotAssMULCH.com. Want to show you something, guys. This is incredible. Look at the leaf. You see that? That's a leaf. Leaf compost. Incredible stuff. Incredible. Look at this. Look how clean my hand is, and it rained. Look how clean, right? So this is our leaf compost. Look at this. 10-year-old stuff, right? Beautiful. And then over here, see how black that is? This is brown. This is our organic potting soil. Yes, I want to show you. Look at this. It's incredible. Incredible. Look. It rained yesterday. Look, how awesome. Give us a call. 845-320-CORD. We love you guys.